ideas. Please tell me how to crack UPSC prelims in 10 days. Give me 50 ideas. Give me 50 strategies. Oja sir and Khan. Vikas strategies. No books, no hard work, no hard work. With series also. No test series. We take your time. Deep research. 10 hours. Give me best 50 ideas. Give me 50 ideas. And Basna next year. Next month. After your prelims next day. Okay. With watching reels over YouTube. After prelims, Labasna go with reels. Do deep research. Take your time. Deep research and